Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will explore the new feature that has been recently added for Fluvid Pro users. So this is only available in the Fluvid Pro plan, and that is, this feature will enable you to directly share or upload a Fluvid video to YouTube. It means you don't need to download a Fluvid video and then upload it on YouTube. You can directly do it from your Fluvid dashboard. Isn't that amazing? So to explore this feature, let's log into our Fluvid dashboard. So here we go. So here we are. We have now logged inside our Fluvid dashboard. So as of now, let's take this video as an example. So I'll open this video. Okay, so on the right hand side, you can see publish video to social platforms, and here publish to YouTube channel. So let's click on this. Now the first step, you have to add a YouTube channel. So let's add a YouTube channel first. So we'll click here. Okay, so we have just added a new channel. You can see this notification, new channel added successfully. This is the channel I've just added. Now, so the first step is done. Now, this is something you only have to do it once. And now, regarding this video, so as of now, it's private. So I'll just make it public. You can see the thumbnail just showing the Fluvid video thumbnail. You can just change it later on. You can also change the Fluvid video thumbnail, and that particular thumbnail will reflect here, or you can also change it on YouTube later on. So I'll just go down and title. So I'll just give the title and then description. Just for example, okay, tags, and separate multiple tags by using the comma. Alright, so I'll just Fluvid video, just for example, and video category, so peoples and blogs, and let me just put it in, let's just put it in blogs. You can change the category later on, and then upload. So it's showing the notification. Okay. So you can see after waiting for a while, this video has been uploaded on my channel. So this is the YouTube studio. Let me just go to my channel. So you can see Fluvid video just a minute ago, it has been uploaded. And anyways, from here also I can change the title, description, but the best part, it has been directly uploaded through Fluvid. As I mentioned before, this is only available in the Pro plan. So if you want to make use of this amazing feature, just switch to Pro plan. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid. And if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.